Hi y'all, Crystal here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this block stitch that I used in the Alza scarf, and I'll link that pattern up for you in the description. We'll start with a chain of 23. You'll need a stitch multiple of 5 plus 3 more for the foundation chain if you plan to make a different size project. You can check out the written instructions with full photo tutorial on my website, ChristaCoDesign.com. Now double crochet into the 4th chain from our hook. These skipped chains will count as our first double crochet. Now we'll double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Now chain 1 and skip the next chain. Double crochet into the chain after that and each of the next 3. Now we'll repeat that. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next 4 chains. We'll keep repeating the sequence until we have only 1 chain left. When you have 1 chain left, double crochet in that last chain. Turn your work, chain 1, and in that very first stitch, single crochet. Now we'll chain 4 and skip the next 4 double crochets. And single crochet in the next chain space. We'll repeat that across until we have 5 stitches left. For the last 5 stitches, we'll chain 4, skip 4 double crochets, and single crochet in the last double crochet, which are those skipped chains from our first row. Now turn your work. You can start with the chain 3 or the alternative I'm going to show you here. Either way you do it, this first stitch counts as a double crochet. Now we'll place 4 double crochets in our chain 4 space. Then chain 1 and skip the single crochet. Now we'll repeat that across. 4 double crochets in the chain 4 space, chain 1 and skip the single crochet until we have 5 stitches left. For our last 5 stitches, we'll place 4 double crochets in the chain 4 space and then double crochet in the last single crochet. Now you'll repeat row 2 again, and then follow that up with a repeat of row 3. And you just keep repeating those 2 rows until your project is as long as you like. Be sure to stop after a row 2 repeat when you end it.